How are you, my friend?
Alhamdulillah, and you?
MashaAllah, I am okay.
I want to know something from you.
What is that?
I want to know what is your aim in life.
Very good. It's a computer engineer.
I think it more suitable to me.
Make me understand, please.
Yeah, you have come to the point. You know that it is the age of information, communication, technology, and science.
I think so. Now tell me, what is your aim in life?
My aim in life? My aim in life is the president of our country.
How surprising it is.
Why surprising? Why surprising? It's not possible?
I think it is unthinkable.
But I don't think so.
Why have you thought so?
I want to make my country corruption free.
Will you follow any leader or a president of our country?
Yeah, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you for well wish.